Hey there, my name is Kyle Grossmiller. I'm a senior solutions architect here at Pure Storage. And in today's video, we're going to talk about minimizing your total cost of ownership in the public cloud, specifically Azure, using the combination of Azure VMware Solution and Pure Storage Cloud Block Store. A common issue that AVS customers can encounter is they're stuck deploying additional nodes in order to get additional storage, because those two things are coupled together. And I should say performance storage. And obviously that can cause issues with spend and your overall cloud TCO by having to scale up an additional node just to get additional storage, and perhaps you do not need additional compute or memory. So one of the use cases that we're really excited to unlock with the combination of AVS and Cloud Block Store is basically you're decoupling your storage from hosts. And I'll draw exactly what this looks like now. So now, instead of having to independently, I'll draw out these nodes. And as we can see here, we're basically going to have the ability to achieve connectivity to Cloud Block Store. This represents our Cloud Block Store node. So now we've got data store connectivity between AVS and Cloud Block Store. And so obviously that enables us to right-size our storage footprint based upon what we're running in the public cloud. But it also unlocks a few other really important things that we are very proud that we've created here at Pure Storage. Just a couple things, right? So obviously VMware API for array integration, VAI primitives, right? Things like write save, xcopy, block zero, all of those thin provisioning, all of those features and functions that you're used to from the on-premises world are now fully and completely available in Azure as well. So go ahead and draw those out here as well, right? Let's briefly double-click on each of the features that Cloud Block Store brings to the table, besides obviously lowering TCO in terms of node count. First one's VAI, VMware API for array integration. What this really does is it offloads those really storage-intensive operations from your AVS nodes onto Cloud Block Store itself. Right? Things like storage vmotioning a VM, cloning a VM, all those operations that are expensive in a cloud world because they're charging you to do most operations, in this case are going to be offloaded to the array and will save you money and will enable your nodes to focus on what's important, which is running your virtual machine environment. The next one is snapshots, right? Pure Storage snapshots are immutable. They're basically instantaneously copied to a volume. So that enables you to move forward and backward in time for a given volume as necessary. Replication, from an on-premises world, we support async, active DR, as well as CloudSnap. And then in an intra-cloud setup, which one of my colleagues will talk about later, we also support active cluster. And then just in terms of core Pure Storage features, dedupe, compression, encryption, all of those things come to the table as well, enabling you to minimize your storage footprint in the public cloud. Again, with thin provisioning, other things, that's really going to help you save your overall TCO on your TCO cost. Thanks a lot for tuning in and watching. We got a lot more videos, a lot more content on AVS and Cloud Block Store, and I hope you check them out.